Higgsfield AI and Freepik are both creative AI platforms, but they serve different needs. Higgsfield focuses on high-end video and image generation, offering cinema-grade outputs, advanced motion control, and ultra-realistic models like Soul 2.0 and Kling 3.0. It's built for filmmakers, advertisers, and creators who want precise control over visuals and special effects. Freepik, on the other hand, is an all-in-one creative suite trusted by over 700,000 users. It combines AI image, video, and voice generators with a massive stock library of 200 million assets. Plus, enterprise features like general identification and secure workflows. The verdict is that you choose Higgsfield if you need cutting edge video production and artistic control. And Freepik if you want a versatile stock rich suite for everyday design and marketing projects. So basically, that's it.